everyone, welcome back to Web Creators. I'm Karataline Shabir with a new tutorial today. Learn to create a free talking product avatar with facial expressions and hand movements too. No green screens, no paid apps, just smart, simple AI tools that do the work for you, like these ones.
Hey everyone! Just look at these adorable pink sneakers I found. They are the perfect mix of comfort and style. Whether you are heading out for a casual stroll or running errands, these shoes are your new everyday essential. I absolutely love the soft pink canvas paired with the crisp white toe cap. It gives such a fresh and clean vibe that works with almost any outfit. And let us talk about comfort. The fit is super cozy with just the right amount of bounce in each step. If you are someone who loves cute and practical fashion, these sneakers are definitely for you. The link to grab your own pair is right in the description below. And hey, do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun reviews and must-have finds. See you in the next one. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my product reviews page. I just bought this awesome perfume from a super cool brand. Link is in the description. The fragrance is absolutely to die for. It leaves you feeling fresh, confident, and best of all, it lasts a full 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. Super long lasting and perfect for getting through your day in style. Highly recommended if you are looking for a signature scent that stays with you all day long.
Follow along and let's bring your own animated product avatar to life in just a few minutes.
So what you're basically going to do is that you're going to go to the URL section and you're going to search for topview.ai. The link is provided in the description for easy access. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and click on sign in. I've already signed in, but my credits are over, so I'll just simply log out and start over. So I'll put these hand in and meet you there. So as you can see, I've signed in. Now what we're going to do, since we need to create our product talking avatar, we're going to click on the third option, which is avatar 2, which is product avatar as well. Click over there. Now you'll be redirected to this page. You'll see lots of avatars that you can choose from. My favorite is this one, and let's see, this one. You can choose anyone you like, but for now, I'll choose this one. Okay, yeah. Now what you're basically going to do is that you need to go scroll down and upload your product image. So as you can see, I've uploaded my product, which is a perfume. It has removed its background automatically. Now what we're going to do is that you can adjust it like this and rotate it like this the way you want. You don't have to worry about the hand because it will be done automatically. Now, if you don't know how to do this or are facing a problem, then what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and click on auto mode. This doesn't require any more limits or features but credits. It's totally free the way it is. So as you can see, there's also created a prompt for the generator. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on generate. Now it will take a few minutes, about 1 to 2 minutes estimated by its AI. So let's wait till then. So now as you can see, our avatar has been generated. You can either download it from here or you can click on create avatar. I'm going to do both for safety reasons. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on create avatar. Here, then you have 3 options to choose from. You can choose the first and the second one if you have a free account, but the third one, it requires an upgrade. So if you have that money, you can simply upgrade it. Now you can choose from Avatar 1 Lite or Avatar 1 Pro. I'll recommend using Avatar 1 Pro. Now it is already generated a voiceover, but feel free to check out from the library of its own. I'm going to just put this and start. Now you can listen to all the voices that are possible. So I'm going to choose Edison. And then when you're done with all this, click on confirm. Now that this is done, go ahead and click on create with your avatar. It will cost you 5 credits. Now again, it says just a moment, 1 to 2 minutes. as you can see, it's right over here. So yeah, let's wait. So now. So now, as you can see, my product avatar is created, although it's not seeing what I need it to see. So what to do when this sort of problem with the rights is simply click on Use My Script. Now to redirect it to the totally new page, okay? Now what you're going to do is that you're going to choose text to audio or even also import audio. But I'll recommend using text to audio. You can, write a script on your own or ask ChatGPT to create one. And I already have one, so I'll just paste it right here, and my AI voice is already set. Now, if you want subtitles, you can just click here, and if you don't, just choose no subtitles. I really like this one. This one. I'm just gonna. I think I'll choose this one. Now scroll down and click on confirm. Next, what you're going to do is that when you're done with all this, choose Avatar 1. It's already default, but if you can't see it, then simply click on it. And then simply click on Generate. Now, I will ask you all these questions. Just change the file name, and I'll put it to Curved Avatar. And keep the other thing same, because everything else is kind of needs an upgrade. So simply click on export, and then your project is right here, and it will take about 3 minutes estimated to create it. So let's wait till then. So as you can see, our product avatar is created. Let's see. Don't worry, you'll listen to the voice once you do it yourself. So as you can see, it's pretty good and our captions are perfect. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye!